Question number 1. When did the Constitution of India come into force? The correct answer is option A, 26th of January 1950. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 3. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? The correct answer is option D, Governor of the state. Question number 4. In which country is Mount Everest located? The correct answer is option A, Nepal. Question number 5. In which sport is the term LBW used? The correct answer is option C, cricket. Question number 6. Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? The correct answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 7. Who is the current Finance Minister of India? The correct answer is option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 8. In which year did the Quit India movement start? The correct answer is option A, 1942. Question number 9. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is option D, Alan Octavian Hume. Question number 10. What is the main gas responsible for the greenhouse effect? The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 11. Who was the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? The correct answer is option D, Indira Gandhi. Question number 12. Which was the first Indian movie submitted for the Oscars? The correct answer is option D, Mother India. Question number 13. World Environment Day is celebrated on? The correct answer is option B, 5th of June. Question number 14. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? The correct answer is option C, President of India. Question number 15. What is the preamble of the Constitution called? The correct answer is option B, the soul of the Constitution. Question number 16. How many articles were there originally in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option A, 395 articles. Question number 17. Majuli Island, largest river island, is located on which river? The correct answer is option A, Brahmaputra river. Question number 18. Which dance form is famous in Assam? The correct answer is option C, Bihu. Question number 19. What is the name of Assam's famous silk? The correct answer is option B, Muga silk. Question number 20. Who was the first woman IPS officer in India? The correct answer is option A, Kiran Bedi. Question number 21. What is the study of the universe called? The correct answer is option A, cosmology. Question number 22. In which state is the Gir National Park located? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Question number 23. What is the only planet that rotates clockwise? The correct answer is option A, Venus. Question number 24. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? The correct answer is option D, parrot. Question number 25. Which fruit has its seeds on the outside? The correct answer is option A, strawberry. Question number 26. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The correct answer is option D, Basendri Pal. Question number 27. Which city is known as the City of Dreams in India? The correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Question number 28. Which animal can sleep while standing up? The correct answer is option B, horse. Question number 29. Which is the tallest statue in the world? The correct answer is option C, Statue of Unity. Question number 30. Which is the only continent without a desert? The correct answer is option D, Europe.